How to log into Google Voice. First of all, open the Google Voice app on your device or go to voice.google.com using your web browser. Next, sign in using your Google account credentials. If you are already signed in on your device, it will automatically show your account. Choose the account you want to access Google Voice Suite. Once signed in, you will be taken to the Google Voice dashboard where you can view your calls, messages, and voicemails. You can also access your contacts, settings, and link numbers from here. If you encounter any login issues, make sure your Google account credentials are correct, your internet connection is stable, and your app or browser is updated to the latest version. Now you know how to log into Google Voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.